In today's fast-paced digital economy, the ability to communicate effectively through the written word has never been more valuable. Welcome to our exploration of earning an income through copywriting. In this video, we will dive into the essential skills you need to become a successful copywriter and how these skills can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Copywriting is more than just writing. It's about crafting persuasive messages that drive action. Copywriting is crucial in marketing and sales, creating compelling advertisements, engaging website content, or persuasive email campaigns. As businesses increasingly shift their focus online, the demand for skilled copywriters continues to rise. Throughout this video, you will learn the fundamental techniques that make copywriting effective, including understanding your audience, mastering the art of storytelling, and using persuasive language. We will also discuss the various types of copywriting, from SEO-focused content to social media posts, and how each can contribute to a brand's success. But why should you consider copywriting as a career? The potential income opportunities are vast. Freelance copywriters can charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per project, depending on their experience and expertise. Many copywriters also find full-time positions with companies that offer stable salaries and benefits. With the right skills and creativity, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable career. So stick around as we uncover the exciting world of copywriting and how you can start earning today. Acquiring copywriting skills is an exciting journey that can lead to a rewarding career. To get started effectively, it's essential to follow a structured approach. First, consider enrolling in online courses that focus on copywriting techniques. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer a variety of classes tailored to different skill levels. These courses often cover essential topics such as persuasive writing, SEO strategies, and the psychology behind compelling copy. In addition to formal education, practice is critical to mastering copywriting. Engage in writing exercises that challenge you to create different types of copy, such as advertisements, social media posts, and email campaigns. You can also take on real-world projects through internships, freelance gigs, or personal projects. This hands-on experience will help you apply what you've learned and refine your skills in a practical setting. Another valuable way to deepen your understanding of copywriting is by reading influential books. Classics like The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly and Made to Stick by Chip Heath and Dan Heath provide insights into effective writing techniques and the principles of persuasive communication. Everybody Writes by Anne Handley offers practical tips for creating engaging content in the digital age. By combining online courses, consistent practice, and insightful reading, you can develop a strong foundation in copywriting. Remember, the more you write and learn, the more confident and skilled you will become. So, embrace the process and watch your copywriting abilities flourish. Creating a portfolio is a crucial step for any aspiring copywriter looking to showcase their skills and attract potential clients or employers. A well-curated portfolio highlights your writing abilities and demonstrates your versatility across different styles and formats. When selecting writing samples, aim for diversity. Include various types of copy, such as advertisements, blog posts, social media content, and email campaigns. This variety will illustrate your adaptability and ability to cater to different audiences and marketing needs. You can publish your work and build your portfolio on several platforms. Websites like Medium and LinkedIn allow you to share articles and posts that can reach a wider audience. Creating a personal website or blog is an excellent way to showcase your writing samples professionally. This serves as a portfolio and helps establish your online presence, making it easier for potential clients to find you. Networking with other writers is another valuable strategy for gaining feedback and exposure. Join online writing communities, forums, or social media groups to connect with fellow copywriters. Engaging with others in the field can provide constructive criticism of your work and open doors to collaboration opportunities. Participating in writing workshops or local meetups can enhance your skills and expand your network. In summary, a strong portfolio is essential for demonstrating your copywriting skills. By selecting diverse samples, utilizing publishing platforms, and networking with other writers, you can effectively showcase your talent and increase your chances of success in the competitive world of copywriting. Locating potential clients and job opportunities is vital to successful copywriting careers. One effective strategy is to utilize freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These websites connect freelancers with businesses looking for specific services, including copywriting. By creating a compelling profile and showcasing your portfolio, you can attract clients who are actively seeking your skills. Be sure to apply for relevant gigs and tailor your proposals to demonstrate how you can meet their needs. Leveraging social media, in addition to freelance platforms, can be a powerful way to connect with businesses needing copywriting services. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are excellent for networking and showcasing your expertise. Join groups related to copywriting and marketing, participate in discussions, and share valuable content that highlights your knowledge. Engaging with potential clients through comments and direct messages can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. Personal branding is another crucial element in attracting clients. Establishing a robust online presence that reflects your unique style and expertise can set you apart from the competition. Create a professional website or blog where you can share your writing samples, testimonials, and insights on copywriting. This not only showcases your skills, but also builds credibility in the industry. Lastly, networking is essential for finding clients. Attend industry events, workshops, and webinars to meet other professionals and potential clients. Building relationships within the copywriting community can lead to referrals and job opportunities. You can effectively locate clients and grow your copywriting career by combining these strategies: freelance platforms, social media engagement, personal branding, and networking. Earning income through copywriting can be rewarding and lucrative if you can monetize your skills effectively. One first step is setting competitive rates based on your experience and market demand. Research what other copywriters in your niche are charging and consider your level of expertise. If you're starting, you should set lower rates to attract clients. However, as you gain experience and build a portfolio, gradually increase your rates to reflect your growing skills and the value you provide. Another method to generate income is through passive income streams, such as affiliate marketing and blogging. By creating a blog focused on a specific niche, you can write content that attracts readers and incorporates affiliate links. When your audience clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This approach showcases your writing skills and allows you to earn money. At the same time, you sleep, making it a powerful way to supplement your income. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams by offering additional services like consulting. Many businesses seek guidance on their marketing strategies, and your expertise in copywriting can be invaluable. You can help clients improve their messaging and overall marketing efforts by providing consulting services while charging a premium for your insights. In summary, monetizing your copywriting skills involves setting competitive rates, exploring passive income opportunities through affiliate marketing and blogging, and diversifying your services to include consulting. Implementing these strategies can help you create a sustainable income stream and enjoy the financial rewards of your copywriting career. In this video, we've explored the exciting journey of learning and monetizing copywriting skills. We began by discussing the essential steps to acquire these skills, including enrolling in online courses, practicing through writing exercises, and reading influential books on the subject. Building a strong portfolio with diverse writing samples was highlighted as crucial in showcasing your abilities to potential clients. We also delved into strategies for finding clients, emphasizing freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, leveraging social media for networking, and the importance of personal branding. Additionally, we discussed various methods to monetize your skills, such as setting competitive rates, exploring passive income through affiliate marketing and blogging, and diversifying your services by offering consulting. As you embark on your copywriting career, remember that taking action is key. Start applying what you've learned, seek opportunities, and don't hesitate to put yourself out there. The world of copywriting is vast and full of potential, and the only way to succeed is to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on copywriting and related topics. Remember to like this video and share it with anyone who might benefit from learning about copywriting. Your engagement helps us create more resources to support aspiring copywriters like you. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your copywriting journey.